get through, and we'll sing hallelujah. But what is that to you right now? But let's talk in a way that can give us some faith to go around. We'll hold tight as we can when it's better again, and that'll sustain me for now. I'll hold on tighter to you, my friend, when we're together again. Together again, when we're together again.
hidden